this is a geometric progression. The first three terms of a geometric progression are, we have 3w minus 2, 3w plus 6, and 3w plus 30. Find the value of w here, then nth term, sum of the first four terms, simplify this one again. So without wasting much of the time, first thing, let's see on how we can answer the value of w. Okay, so here we have, what we have is this one. We have w, okay, 3w minus 2, then also have 3w plus 6. We also have 3w plus 30. Okay, so this is what we have. So having this, we are saying this is what the first term, this is the second term, and this is what the third term. Remember, when for a GP we look for a common ratio. Okay, so for a common ratio formula is R is equal to second term divided by first term, which is also equal to third term over second term. So like this. So now here we are going to use this here because we want to find the value of what w. So we are going to use this one. So using this one, we'll say where there is a second term replaced by this. So we'll say 3w plus 6, then over first term is 3w minus 2 is equal to, here again here first term is 3w plus 6 over here it's the third term, which is this one. So it's 3w plus 30, okay, plus 30 this side, plus 30, and then 3w plus 6. So we have something like this. So having this, we just multiply this and this, this and this. So multiplying here, we are saying that is 3w plus 6, okay, then times 3w plus 6, we close, is equal to this and this, it will be 3w plus 30, we close, then again 3w minus 2. So this is what we have. So having this here, we are saying that 3w multiplied by this, so it's 3w open bracket by this, 3w plus 6, we close, here there's a sign a plus, so we put a plus here, 6 again multiplied by this again, it will be 3w plus 6, we close. Also this side, we are saying that this times this, 3w open bracket 3w minus 2, okay, so here it's plus here 30 open bracket 3w minus 2. So this is what we have. So expanding this and this, we're going to have 9w squared. This and this, we are going to have plus 18w, sorry, it's 18w, 3 times 6 is 18w, then plus, so the same thing is what we are going to have when we multiply this and this, we are going to have 18w, then this and this, we are going to have plus 36, okay, then is equal to, okay, just follow the procedure. This is how we can expand this and this. We're going to have 9, okay, it's 9w squared, then minus this and this, here it's minus because of minus there, this is positive, so here it's going to be 6w, okay. Then plus here, which is this one, this and this, we're going to have this and this, we're going to have 90 W, okay, there 0 9, okay. Then minus this and this, we are going to have 60, okay, 60. Yes, we're going to have just 60. So having something like this, we can add this and this, we can add this, we can also add this here. So here we have, as you can see, okay, I don't want to use a shortcut, so I'll just do like this. So I'm going to collect the like terms. So this, as you can see, here it's 9 squared, where once it's cosine, the cosine to become negative. So here it's 9W squared minus, okay, minus again, here again it's 9W squared. Then having this one and this one, we're going to have a plus 36, okay, W here plus these two here, these two they've got the different signs, so we are going to subtract. Once you subtract here, we are going to have 84, okay. This is 90. When you subtract 6 from 90, we are going to have 84. So this 84, it will be positive. Once it comes this side, it will be negative, okay. So I'll simply say negative 84, okay, negative 84, okay, we'll do like this, negative 84, yes, W, like this, negative 84 W, then is equal to this side. I've got negative 60. Once this one comes this side, it's going to have to be negative 36. Remember, this is paper 2. So this one and this one will subtract, will cancel. We're going to remain with this one. So here there's a negative, here there's a positive. So we are saying that 36W, this and this is minus 84W, okay. So this is what we have. Then is equal to this and this, we are going to have negative 96, okay, negative 96. This is what you are going. So here these have got the same sign, so you simply add and maintain the sign, okay. So here again, this and this, we are going to have a negative 48W. Once you subtract 36 from this one, we're going to have this. This is paper 2. You can use a calculator. Then here, since here we've got 96, so we make W subject of the formula. So here we divide by negative 48. Even this side, negative 48. There will go. So our W, the answer will be, it will be 2 here. It will be just 2. So our W here is what? 2. This is the value of W2, okay. Never give up, just follow the procedure. Make sure that you do the correct thing in an exam, okay. The next one is find the nth term, okay. So B, nth term. So nth term. So here we are calculating the nth term. So now calculating the nth term, remember we have 3W minus 2. Then we also have 3W plus 6. And also we have 3W plus 30. Then your W is equal to 2, which means where there is W replaced by 2. So here, once you replace by 2, it will be 3. Then 2 there minus 2, okay. Then here again is 3 there, 2 plus 6, okay. Then 3 there, 2 plus 30. So this is what we have. So working this and this, it will give us a 6. And then 6 minus 2, we are going to have 6 minus minus 2, we are going to have 4 here. These are terms. Then this and this, we are going to have 6. 6 plus 6, we are going to have a 12 here. Okay. Then here, so here it's 12. 3 times this one, we have 6. 6 plus this one, we're going to have 36. Okay. So which means now, since we have something like this, we're going to find the common ratio. Remember, to find the nth term, the formula is Tn is equal to A R n minus 1. So this is the formula. So now here we can find the R, and the first term here is 4. Then what we don't have is what? N. Okay, what we don't have is n. So common ratio, we say R is equal to second term over first term. So here our second term is 12. Okay, this 12, so I say 12 over 4. Then our R here is equal to 3, sorry. So our R here is what? 3. So 3, this is our common ratio. So we come this side and replace. The first term here is 4, so just say 4, open bracket. There our R is 3, then open bracket, n minus 1. So here, this is what we have. Okay, this one we can't multiply 4 by this one here, what is on the bracket. Reason, we don't know the value of n. Okay, we don't know the value of n, so you can't say this will be 12 raised to power n minus 1. No, because we don't know the value of n, so you can just leave it like this. The sum of the first 4 terms. Okay, the sum of the first 4 terms. Remember, okay, allow me just to use this space here. The sum here, sum of the GP, we say it's Sn like this is equal to A, open bracket. So here our R is greater than negative 1. Is greater than 1. So we say it's R to the power n minus 1. We close, then R minus 1. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So here we have the first term here. We have answered it's what? As you can see, this is our first term here, and the common ratio is what? Given there how many? 4 terms. So where there is n, you replace by 4. So here we'll say A it's 4. Okay, open bracket. Our R here it's 3 to the power 4 minus 1 here. We close bracket over. Again it's 4 minus 1. So here you can use a calculator. 3 to the power 4, it's 81. Okay, 3 to the power 4, yes, it's 81. 81 minus 1, here we are going to have 80. Okay, so 3 there is 81. Here what I'm saying is something like this. 4 here, then open bracket, this and this, we are going to have 81 minus 1 over 4 minus, oh sorry, it's 3 here. It's 3. 3 is the common ratio. 3 here. 3 minus this one, which will give us what? A 2 this side. So 2 there is 1, 2 there is 2. Then this side we've got the 80. Okay, 81 minus 1, it will be 80. So it will be 2 by 80. So 2 by 80, the answer will be 160. Okay, so this is what? The sum of the first 4 terms. Okay, the sum of the first 4 terms is 4 terms here. It's 180. As simple as that. Then we come to the last one, which is this one. Simplify. To simplify this one here, we'll simply say it's 10A over m squared then n squared. So here there is a division line. So if there's a division, we know when answering like this, we are going to change this division into what? Multiplication. So once you do like this, you introduce a multiplication, this denominator will become what? The numerator. So you simply interchange. So what you're going to have is 2m, okay, to the power 2, then n squared over 5a to the power 3. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. So here, how many a do we have here? They are just 1a. If you want, you can expand this. Okay, you can also expand this. We are saying that we've got 10a. Okay, then over here we've got m. Then we also have another what? M. There are 2 m's. Then times again, we also have n this side. We also have another n. Then times this side here, we've got 2. Then m times n times n. Okay, if you want, you can you can answer like this. Then 5 here, we also have a times a times a. Okay, so as you can see here, we are dividing. Okay, so this n and this n will do what? Will cancel. So this n and this n will cancel. This n and this n will cancel. This m and this m will cancel. This m and this m will cancel. This a and this a will do what? Will divide or will cancel. So here we've got 2 there we've got 5. Here we've got 10. So 2 there or 5 there, it's 1. 5 into 10, it's what? 2. So here what we have on the numerator is just 2 here and 2 there. So to answer this one, I'll simply say there I've got 2 times 2. Okay, then down here I've got 1 times a times a. So a here, it's a squared, we know, so it should be 1 times a squared. So 2 times 2, we are going to have a for this side. Then 1 times this one, we're going to have a squared. So this is what this is how we can simplify this given what question. Okay, so if I told you you don't want to write like this, you can simply reduce it from here. Here we've got 2m and here 2m, you cancel. You have 2n and here 2n, you cancel. Here we've got a, here you just subtract 1a so that you remain with what? A squared. Then 5 into 10, it's 2. 2 times there, we are going to have 4. Okay, this is how we can answer this type of question.